Dallas is renowned for its vibrant culture, growing economy, and, most notably, its extreme summer heat. While the sunshine and warmth are appealing to many, the unrelenting Texas heat can wreak havoc on homes, especially windows. Homeowners and property managers must understand how the intense Dallas climate impacts window performance and why investing in proper installation and maintenance is critical. How Dallas heat affects window performance. The soaring temperatures in Dallas, often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer, constrain windows beyond what many homeowners might expect. This heat affects windows in several ways. Thermal expansion and contraction in windows, particularly those made of materials like vinyl or aluminum, expand and contract with temperature fluctuations. Over time, this movement can cause seals to break, leading to air leaks. Broken seals not only reduce energy efficiency but also allow dust and allergens to enter the home. Energy efficiency challenges. High temperatures force air conditioning systems to work overtime. If your windows aren't energy efficient, they can exacerbate the problem. Non-insulated or single-pane windows often let heat seep into the house, leading to skyrocketing energy bills. UV damage. Prolonged exposure to the sun's ultraviolet UV rays can cause discoloration and degradation of window frames, especially wooden ones. Additionally, UV rays penetrating through windows can fade interior furnishings, flooring, and artwork. Condensation issues. The combination of indoor cooling and outdoor heat can cause condensation to form on windows. Over time, this moisture can lead to mold growth, particularly around frames, which compromises air quality and structural integrity. Why proper window installation matters in Dallas. Given the intense heat, proper window installation is not just a matter of aesthetics, it's a necessity for performance, durability, and cost savings. Here's why. Energy efficiency begins with installation. Even the most advanced windows can fail to perform if installed poorly. Gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing allow heat to penetrate and conditioned air to escape. Professional installation ensures a snug fit, maximizing insulation and energy savings. Durability in extreme conditions. Proper installation helps windows withstand the stresses of Dallas's temperature swings. A professionally installed window is less likely to suffer from warping, cracking, or seal failure over time. Custom solutions for Dallas homes. Local installers understand the unique demands of the Dallas climate and can recommend materials and designs suited for the area. For example, double-pane or triple-pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings are popular in Dallas for their superior energy efficiency. Choosing the right windows for the Dallas climate. To combat the challenges posed by Dallas's heat, selecting the right type of windows is essential. Key features to look for include low-E glass. This specialized coating reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas layers provide better thermal insulation. Durable frames. Frames made from materials like fiberglass or vinyl resist warping and are well suited for extreme heat. tinted or reflective glass. These options minimize glare and reduce heat absorption. Regular maintenance. A must for long-term performance. Once your windows are installed, routine maintenance is essential to ensure they continue to perform well in the harsh Dallas climate. Key steps include inspecting seals. Regularly check for cracks or gaps in the seals and reapply caulking as needed. Cleaning glass and frames. Keep windows clean to prevent dirt buildup, which can trap heat and moisture. Monitoring for damage. Look for signs of warping, cracking, or discoloration in frames and glass. Investing in quality pays off. Windows are more than just a feature of your home. They are a critical component in managing energy efficiency, comfort, and indoor air quality. In Dallas, where summer heat can be relentless, investing in high-quality windows and professional installation is a wise decision that pays dividends in the form of reduced energy bills and increased home value. When choosing windows, consult with experienced professionals who understand the demands of the Dallas climate. Their expertise can guide you toward solutions that offer optimal performance, durability, and aesthetic appeal. In conclusion, Dallas homeowners must prioritize their window systems to counteract the challenges of the region's extreme heat. Proper installation, maintenance, and high-performance materials are the keys to enduring comfort and efficiency in this sunny city.